Hello everyone, today I will show you how to resolve noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. Open the color page. Go to the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Enable noise reduction. In the right panel, scroll down to find noise reduction. Check the box to enable it. Adjust settings. Luminance reduces brightness-based noise. Prominence reduces color-based noise. Temporal uses adjacent frames for smoother noise reduction. Spatial reduces noise based on neighboring pixels. Fine-tune adjust sliders for the best balance between noise reduction and image detail. Preview and adjust. Scrub through your video to check the results, adjusting as needed. And that is everything you need to know about how to resolve noise reduction in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.